Fat boy, we have a treat. Today, we're terminating some Ethernet cables so we can hook up a little Wi-Fi system. This is the last one actually out of 10, and I cannot wait to be done with this. When I first started, I had to look at this cheat sheet kind of thing that told you the order of the wires, which are white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, solid green, white, brown, solid brown. So, once you have your wires in order in a nice straight line like that, you'll snip it. Make sure they're nice and straight. Just do that right there. Give them a good little snip. Once you got that snip and you got it in a straight line like so, you insert them carefully into the connector, which is called the RJ-45 connector. And then you take that little shielding, put that over there, clip these little ends down carefully so you don't cut the wire or the shielding. And then once you crimp the ends down, you can crimp the actual connection, which is called terminating. And then termination of the connection. Throw that in this tube. Maybe to get it in there sometimes. Move the wires around to get it in there. Push it into pretty quick. Squeeze a few times. Pull it out. And you take off this extra shielding right here. Just a little snip. Just a little foil. Pull off that little extra bit, and boom, there you have Ethernet cable. What we like to do is label it, so you know exactly what each wire is, where it's going, where it's coming from. You use a heat gun, let it warm up to 370 degrees, and here's those piggies on the side. You just heat her up and watch it break. It's going to shrink in a second. See it? Boom. And just like that, you have perfectly terminated RJ-45A termination. Easy. And then we're going to plug it into this little flying saucer. Oh.